If you saw the inside of a stomach of a seabird filled with bottle caps and plastic, most people would say, "Ew, gross, poor bird," or "What's the cause of this?" The answer is ocean pollution. Scientists took a very long time, but finally figured that roughly 15 to 40% of that is littered or dumped plastic trash enters our ocean each year. They also state that about 4 million to 12 million metric tons of plastic trash washed offshore in 2010 alone. I mean, that's a lot of trash. That means one of the main reasons so much trash ends up in our ocean is because about half of the trash that is being littered on land will soon wash offshore and end up in our oceans. Sadly, scientists still don't know where 99% of the plastic debris ends up. That has an effect on marine life and the human food supply. Scientists and researchers state that the amount of plastic waste tumbling into our oceans annually will more than duplicate in the next 10 years. That means our ocean would become the local dump. The ocean can be polluted in many different ways. Pollution can enter our oceans directly. For example, sewage or polluting substances directly into the ocean from sewage, drainage, or rivers. When chemical nutrients are released into the ocean, it causes a series of problems with the water, oxygen levels, and plants. As an effect, all levels of marine plants and animals are highly affected. Industrial and agricultural waste are another common form of pollution. When their toxic liquids reach the ocean, it makes temperatures rise, and most plants and animals can't survive higher temperatures. Ship pollution is another huge source of pollution, but the most devastating of all is oil spills. Crude oil is a very big problem. Crude oil stays in the ocean for years, and it's extremely toxic to marine life. Crude oil is extremely hard to clean up. That means when oil spills, it's usually there to stay. Oftentimes, other species invade an ecosystem and do harm to it by interrupting the life cycles that have already been damaged by the overflow of pollution. Another example of ocean pollution is ocean mining. Ocean mining does damage to the lowest levels of the ocean and increases the toxicity of a region. Because our ocean is being polluted in so many ways, there are many dreadful effects. Crude oil could get into the gills or feathers of our marine animals, enabling their bodies to function correctly. Sometimes, as a result, they could even die. Oil spills also affect the photosynthesis of coral reefs and plants. Most plastic debris in the ocean does not decompose and remains in the ocean for years. It uses oxygen as it decays. As an effect, all levels of oxygen go down and the number of dying plants and animals increase. Chemicals from factories could accumulate in the fatty tissue of animals, causing their reproductive system to fail. Pollution will affect ocean's food chain and will make it become unbalanced. When people eat the animals with toxins in them, the animal will get deposited into the fatty tissue of people and can lead to cancer, birth defects, or long-term health problems. Our ocean is being polluted by we, the people. And we, humans, are also being hurt by these environmental issues. We need to help clean our oceans. We don't need to hurt it. So next time you think of throwing a piece of trash in the ocean, just beware that you are hurting our marine plants, animals, and their home. Thank you.